Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetic YouTube channel. We have made a lot of videos on Java programming language, Java core basically. In this video, we will see method overloading. How can we use that? How can we implement same thing in Java programming language? So let's create one class file. Okay, this is how you can create. We are keeping the name of class method. Okay, so this is how you can create class file. Okay, in Java programming language. Now public static void, we are creating main method here. This is a fundamental description, okay, that you need to write down in whatever you run in Java programming language, you need to write inside this. Okay, so this is basically heart of the Java program. Okay, let's move ahead. So we are talking about method overloading in Java. Okay, so what exactly is method overloading? I hope in the last videos we have already discussed what is method or function in Java. Okay, so what exactly method overloading? Okay, method overloading is nothing but to use different type of methods which have those method have same names but different parameters. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Let's understand. Why are we here? Just to make you understand. Let's say static keyword. We have already made a video on what is static, why we use this static keyword. Okay, so static, let's say int, no, let's say void. Okay, we are not returning anything in this video. So we are creating one method with this static void add. Our first method name is add. Okay, we are passing some parameters, let's say int a or int b. Fine. We are creating one more method static void add. You guys are thinking, how can this be possible? Like, there are two same name methods, there are two methods with which having same name. How is it possible? Is it possible to why method overloading? Okay, int a comma int b comma int c. Okay, so this is method overloading. What we are doing here, we are creating two methods which having same name but different parameters. Let's say system.out.println ln a, a plus b. Okay. Now control C, then control V, a plus b plus c. Now how can we check that? How can we call these methods? It's very simple. You need to create one object of your class, that is method is our class name. Okay, obj1 is our object name, then new method. This is how you can create one object, creating object. Okay, now we can call any of the method. Okay, we are calling this method. Here we need to pass an argument, pass two arguments. Okay, let's say 23, 23, 232, 232, and then something like this. Okay, let's check the output. Okay, here we are getting the data 2574. So at this time we are calling first add method, not second. Okay, because we are passing only two argument, and in the two argument this this method is calling. Okay, but if we use three arguments, let's say 23 or 45 or 76, in this case what we are calling second method. Okay, second add method. See, we are getting this output. So what is happening? This method is overloaded on this method. That's why this whole concept is known as method overloading. I hope you liked our videos and previous videos also you can watch out. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, then you can let us know, and please do comment it out and do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.